Back Timing Trom 2000 and Muck Road Loggers on the road this time. We're on our way to Ithaca. Got our coffee. We're going to look at a motor for the Black Beast 350. It's a long ways for something, but it's the closest 350 we could find that was reasonable. So, gonna got Fred here. All right, let's get on the road. Well, you made it back. Picked this old girl up and drove back with it all the way from, goodness, Ithaca, New York area. Beautiful trip, nice scenery. Glad it's over though. I hate driving that far, it's awful. But we got this here 350. I don't know if you guys were watching one of the episodes. I was trying to get my truck to run straight and just couldn't get it to run straight. So I decided best solution to get that old straight six out of there. We're gonna slap this new to me 350 in there. It's got a little bit of attention it needs. I'm gonna pull these valve covers off. I'm gonna take all these accessories off the front. They're not really gonna do me any good. It'll also give me a chance to see inside the engine, at least the cooling jackets here. It's been sitting for a while. Got some, everything's still free though. Engine's still free. We're going to take the bottom half off and we're going to take the valve covers off. We're going to have a look at stuff. Oh, it's got nasties. Look at that. What do you think the chances are of this alternator working? Out. Gross. Okay, let's take these spark plugs out and get these valve covers off, huh? Surprisingly easy. Yeah, set these up. The other side. Well, it's nice when things come right apart. Okay. Like pretty stinky. Smells bad. Valve cover number one. Okay, let's see what's behind valve cover number two. I already know these gaskets are garbage. Definitely clean these out. I don't think it's been ran since he did all the gaskets. We're stuck. Get the hammer out. Hit these valves real quick. See if any of them are good. performance springs on it. That's interesting. What if this has a cam? It's really just about everything we can do with the top end of it. Alright, spin this thing around. Give her the old 1-2 and spin it over. Guessing a little bit later, spin it over, you're gonna need something different. Heavy bitch. Get bone dry. Let's get this bottom end off. Kind of nervous here. Okay, see what's under it, huh? I'll be damned. The little circle is supposed to be there. Definitely no way to tell that whether or not it's been set up or not, though. Let's blast a little PV blaster up into these cylinders and give her a little 1-2. Well, wish I had more light in here, huh? Let's see what we can do about that. Okay, well, got sort of a flashlight here. Actually see down there now. Well, that one I can still see some of the crosshatch. Looks really dry in here. Doesn't look like there's been any water in here at all, which is good. A little bit of scoring on the bottom of that piston. You can see it, you can't feel it though. That one's got some crosshatch left in it. I don't want to take the heads off. I'm hoping to be able to verify condition of this thing just from down here. Funny when this thing's running and all this stuff's freaking whipping around. I'm not sure if I should put PB blaster on there, but I'm gonna. Well, I don't see any reason I shouldn't be able to turn this thing over a couple times. See how it looks there, huh? A whole lot going on inside this thing when it's running, boy. Right there. I'm gonna check this one for compression. Okay, must be normal, I guess. This means it's definitely a 350 because I don't think they made 305s with 4-bolt mains. We can get that one all the way to the top. I don't know. I have no idea how to tell. I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. What is all this stuff? How much is this gonna take out? I mean, the motor's from like the damn 80s, so who knows what's happened with it. Well, my main concern was that it had water sitting in it, and I don't think that's the case. I'm not sure if this is really doing me any good. I can't get it whipping over fast enough to build any good vacuum or compression. Not by hand. Feels pretty smooth though. I'm gonna try to roll it over on its top here and see if I can roll it over. Put oil on it in the cylinders, get them rings real nice and oiled up. Bet you $100 this is no good. Bet you a dime Oh, I can see the back of the chain from here. Oh, it's a double roller chain. Steel teeth. Wish I knew more about engines.